right?
Ta-da!
Tonight, I am going to describe to you how tornadoes are created. Do you remember pouring a mixture of sand and sugar into a glass of water, then stirring it, and watch the mixture swirl around in the glass? And do you remember our childhood tornado bottle experiments from when we were kids? Tornadoes are similar to that concept, but they involve thunderstorms and hot and cold air. And they can pick up objects heavier than a car, destroy buildings, and deforest forests. In the article Tornado Risk Analysis, is Dixie Alley an extension of Tornado Alley? During the years of 1995 and 2004, 12,735 tornadoes struck the United States. But the most destructive tornado ever to happen was on April 26, 1989, and it killed 1,300 people in Bangladesh, as Southeastern Asia. Now, I am going to describe to you how tornadoes are formed, from their most basic forms of wind to their most destructive twister forms. Now, there are two main ingredients to form a tornado: hot and cold winds and supercells. The first ingredient are hot winds from the equator and cold winds from the polar regions. And when these winds come in contact with each other, they will swirl in a circular motion like a lazy Susan. Now, the second ingredient to a tornado is a supercell. Now, supercell is not a superhuman cell. It's actually an anvil-shaped thundercloud that is really big and can produce a massive thunderstorm. In the article comments on satellite observations of a severe supercell thunderstorm on July 24, 2000, made during the GOES 11 science test by Brian A. Klomowski and Matthew J. Bunkers, states that supercells can separate into two supercells. But Klomowski and Bunkers said that when supercells split, one will be weaker than the other, and it will last to 1 to 2 hours. Now, when these two ingredients mix together, this will result in a tornado. Tornadoes can last up to 2 hours and can be as tall as 75 feet. But the exceptions to the duration are the most severe tornadoes, and they can last up to 4 hours. Now, a little tip: when the tornadoes first form, they are transparent, which means they will be hard to see until they pick up dust, dirt, debris, and mud from the earth. That is when they will be visible to the naked eye. Now, in summary from what I described, tornadoes are a combination of hot and cold air in supercells. Be aware of this, as tornadoes can appear anywhere in the world where there is a thunderstorm. The only tornado-free place in the world is Antarctica, because Antarctica is composed of cold air. You can't make a stack of pancakes without cracking a few eggs, as you can't make a tornado without all the ingredients. If you want to go there, pack a coat and mittens, but you don't have to worry about any tornadoes.